So Abdullah from Canada says, is Allah capable of changing the destiny of a person on the night of Qadr, Laylatul Qadr? The question itself is inappropriate to ask because Allah Azza wa Jal is capable of doing whatever He wills. First of all. But maybe it was inappropriately framed or formed. Secondly, the issue of Qadr is a very important issue to know. It is Allah's knowledge. Now, you and I don't know what Allah's prescribed for us. So when someone says, how is it possible that making dua change the Qadr? So you're objecting as if you know that my Qadr was to die today. And I made dua and Allah prolonged my Qadr. Is that true? You can't tell. You don't know whether I'm going to die today as preordained or after 10 years. So how dare you question the change of Qadr when you actually don't know it? So dua is part of your destiny. And dua has the power to change Qadr which you do not know. So don't think over things that are way above your pay grade. Trust Allah, believe in Qadr, which is Allah's knowledge, and that it was preordained 50,000 years before Allah created the universe. Acknowledge this fact and you will feel happier and more content. Everything can happen. But I don't know what's going to happen 5 minutes from now. Well, actually, I know because the time is over. But no, seriously speaking, I don't know if I'm going to have an accident, if I'm going to reach home well, if I'm going to die, if I'm going to fall and break a leg. No one knows. So thinking and overthinking of these matters would corrupt your life. Have trust in Allah. Believe in whatever happens. It was with the destiny and preordainment of Allah Azza wa Jal.